Those moves do a ton of posture damage too, so they will stagger really
Oh,
quickly.
He's
here
evil and stinky.
Alright, we should find a
This is a great place to defend.
good place to fight. Let's figure out where he's at first.
Okay, this is a good place to get Horfrost on.
Yeah, I'm down. And just fucking hide. No
Turn
one's
off the light.
here. I see him down there. Please. I don't want to be in front.
Well, maybe we should continue on. We are kind of at the end of a weird side path. Oh,
Oh, perfect. He'll never suspect me. Oh wait, that one might actually work. Hold on. All right,
that's-
bait him in here, boys. Perfect. I'm fucking ready. Oh,
dude, he's like a guy with a jar on his head. Wait, what's this with his head, dude? His head is
why
huge.
does? I see him sitting there.
Yeah, he's looking at me. Okay, he's beginning to do stuff. Oh my god, I got fucked up.
Well done.
That was
Clip
incredible.
that, Pat. Clip that.
I can't clip anything. I have my Steam